2017 Infiniti Q60 cabin air filter is behind the glove box here. All you gotta do is open it up. Okay. And we're just gonna pull this part of the glove box past this plastic piece. Okay. Same thing on this side. Pull it. Okay. Actually, you know what? You can just pull this side. Okay. And then you're gonna pull the glove box kind of off its hinges, and I'll let you have it. And we're gonna go ahead and just pull this down. And the filter's located in there. Let's pull this towards you. Okay. There's the filter. Now this car has some low miles, so I'm not expecting this to be too dirty, but if you need one of these, I'll leave it in the description box where you can get one. This one looks pretty darn good, so I'm not replacing it right now. Stick it all back together. Kind of rehinge your glove box. Kind of need two hands to do this, so. And that's it. That's how you replace the cabin filter in a Q60.